Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a video on how to create a luxurious and elegant living room using beiges, French blue, and gold accents. Some quick design tips, tricks, hints, and ideas. Let's get right into the video. First off, I want to go back and reiterate again on embracing new beginnings can be so refreshing. I just purchased some beautiful new kitchen utensils, and it's amazing how even the smallest changes can make a big difference in your space or just in your home or just your overall feeling and what you may have gone through and what you're coming through and going to. And with this, I am going to do a little quick organizing them with just some fun joy, giving my kitchen a refresh and an inviting feel. Sometimes it's the little things that inspire us the most. And with this, they are in this beautiful champagne color. Has a little bit more of a gold tint, but not too bright and not too shiny. I am loving the look of them, and I use them on every meal, little thing that I eat. Again, it's finding joy in the smallest of things. Setting the stage for my living room with a fresh color palette. We'll have beiges, French blue, and cream as the backdrop. These calming tones create for me a serene atmosphere, while touches of gold accents will add just the right amount of elegance and warmth that I need in my space to keep it very much inviting as well as, pretty. So here's a look at the living room in its current state. The wall color is agreeable gray. While it's very warm and inviting, it feels like it needs a lighter, brighter color in the space, especially for me at this stage. I need this refresh of the color for my life, or rather this moment in time. I'll be using Whisper White as the new background color to make everything in this space truly sing. I am so excited to see this transformation, and I'm very excited to share it all with you. So let's begin. And also, just for reference for upcoming videos, the couches will not be staying, so they will not be here in later videos. But for the reveal, not quite sure. They may be here and they may not. And as well, for reference, the light fixture in the living room may be changing, but as of now, it will be staying here, which is actually a ceiling fan. So that's not an actual priority right now to tackle, but I'm excited to share in a future update. And as always, I want to share a quick tip. If you have carpets, try investing in a carpet cleaner. This is not a plug or a sponsor video, but a carpet cleaner is so much more economical than paying someone to continuously coming in to clean your space. It has been a game changer for me, keeping my carpets fresh and all the while saving money in the long run. Just a quick tip. So as you can see, I've started the painting process and the transformation is already underway. Using Whisper White has really lightened the mood and added a sense of calm as well as an elegant backdrop again to the space. I'm loving how it's changing the overall feel, making it so much brighter and definitely for me much more inviting. Well, as you can see here, I'm quite excited to share that I found some stunning artwork, and it perfectly combines all of the colors in my new color scheme. Well, it's not actually new, but it's new for this home. I'm in the process of removing the packaging, and soon I'll be introducing these beautiful pieces to you all. Stay tuned. It's a little bit of a task here, as you can see, getting them off the paper backing, that is. Another quick home decor tip when it comes to use abstract art. Because it has no real subject matter, it makes it very versatile, which is a huge bonus. You can hang it horizontally or vertically depending on your space. It's just another great way to make your art fit perfectly and elevate your overall room's look. Well, now you can see that Chanel has all the art ready to go. I've already Measure everything for the hanging process, and I'm excited to see how the space is going to transform with these very large pieces of art. So as we wrap up today, I'm sharing key tips for creating a stunning design palette. You can use colors from your pillows or artwork as your jumping off point. With this approach, it will help you to create, as I have here, a cohesive and a harmonious look throughout your space as with mine. So by focusing on these elements like I have, you can ensure that your color choices will blend beautifully and reflect your personal style like that again of mine. Lastly, another reiteration of another tip, as I have done here by adding that light and bright feel with a touch of elegance by incorporating well-framed artwork into my design. So like me, by choosing pieces that resonate with your color scheme, you can add a hint of gold for an accent. These accents overall elevated with the artwork and infuse a luxurious touch into this room, and as you'll see with the overall reveal coming soon. So as we know, gold brings a sophisticated sparkle and always creates a sense of refinement that will enhance most any space in its overall design. So in other words, as I like to say, it wakes a space up. When it comes to colors, you can consider using a palette like beiges, tans, creams, and French blue as I have here. These shades for me work wonderfully together, and they create a warm and inviting space for me, like I like to say also, a big hug. With the French blue, it just introduces that sophisticated pop of color that for me it added depth and it is a spark of character. So by blending all of these colors, I am trying to achieve and will achieve a cozy, warm environment that still exudes elegance and classic and classy touches. It's all about creating a space where every element complements one another, from the artwork to the pillows to the walls and all of the accessories soon to come. The result for me and for you can be a beautiful design space that feels both inviting and refined. So, as always, thank you for following along. I can't wait to share more of this journey with you, so stay tuned in for more updates as we continue to transform all of these spaces. So, as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.